Welcome to Dr. Mankads Homeo Clinic. In case if any male is searching for some solution regarding the problems of his sexual health, then homeopathy is one of the most indicated, most harmless, and above all, the most important is it is one of the most affordable medicines available in the India. Dear friends, most of the time we have seen that the male are having a lot of problems regarding their sexual health. Primarily, if we want to divide it into two parts, then one is the issues regarding erectile dysfunction, यानी कि उत्थान को लेके समस्या, या तो अच्छे खासे वक्त तक वो उत्थान नहीं टिक पाता और उसके कारण इंटरकोर्स पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता, सेक्सुअल रिलेशंस पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाते, ऐसी समस्या है, वो एक पार्ट है। दूसरा एक पार्ट है कि प्रीमैच्योर इजैकुलेशन, मतलब कि ज़रूरत से पहले या तो हो सके उतना जल्दी, या तो इंटरकोर्स होने से, संभव होने से पहले ही अगर इजैकुलेशन हो जाता है, अगर सेमिनल इजैकुलेशन हो जाता है, तो उसके कारण भी व्यक्ति की सेक्सुअल हेल्थ तो तकलीफ में आती ही है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम अ पर्सनस पर्सनल लाइफ, अ पर्सनस इमोशनल लाइफ is also getting hampered, because kahin na kahin in case of male in our society, it is a belief that the way they are able to function sexually, it is directly linked with their so-called mardangi. So immediately the moment any male starts having any kind of or feeling any kind of problems regarding the performing sexually very rightly or performing very powerfully as their perception might be, the moment they start thinking about it, immediately the expectations pressure starts building up within, और उसके कारण कहीं ना कहीं एंजाइटी, एक्सपेक्टेशंस और वो सारे इमोशनल रीजंस के कारण भी ये प्रीमैच्योर इजैकुलेशन या तो इरेक्टाइल डिसफंक्शन, ये दोनों तकलीफ़ें वो मेल में आजकल बहुत ही कॉमनली देखने को मिलती है. The other reason behind that is the availability of a lot of pornographic movies in the market, which are not showing the actual sensible part of the relations, and that's the reason that most of the time they are feeling that they are unable to fulfill the needs what a male should be. So because of a combination of lot of factors, ultimately the male faces both of these problems, and both of these problems then further leads to the inferiority complex and to a lot of stress related issues in the primarily in the male only, and then further in the couple. In today's time, even it's the way the society is changing. Most of the time relations before marriage or multiple partners before marriage are also being seen very commonly in the society, and because of that whole of the sexual history of male, most of the time when they are getting married, they start facing a lot of problem regarding their sexual health. So for any of these kind of issues, homeopathy is one of the leading medicinal science which can come to your rescue, and that is also in a relatively very affordable price. So this is one part. The another part regarding male sexual health is the infertility. This may happen just because of maybe many times because of alcohol, smoking, or tobacco chewing, and many times even because of no reason as well. Sperm counts of a male goes to a very less, which is termed as oligospermia. Many times there are no sperms in the semen leg, that is termed as a azoospermia. Many times sperms are there, but they are not enough motile so that they can provide or create the fertility in the female. So that is also infertility in the male is also one of the important thing which is nowadays seen in the society. So for infertility in the male, to improve the seminal count in the male, to improve the sexual functionality of the male, and to create the sexual health in the male, to reduce the instances of erectile dysfunction and to reduce the instances of the premature ejaculation. We at Dr. Mankads Homeo Clinic provide one of the most safest and finest medicines of homeopathy. Fortunately, we have seen lot of patients of these kind of diseases, and we have seen that the success ratio is quite more than 80% in the male. And this is what we always convey to our patients, that this is how, if we can help more and more, we feel more and more satisfied, because this is one of the very key area of a person's life where they can't actually express it even to their nearest circle, and at the same time they keep suffering from within. So these are the areas where we help. The other important thing which, before parting from this video, I like to say that, as you must be knowing that Dr. Mankads Homeo Clinic is a comprehensive patient care unit. So here we not only think regarding a kind of person who just thinks about a prescription and prescribes to you. Here we become a part of your suffering, and we always try that how to improve your life holistically. So even in the male sexual health issues, we parallelly help you regarding improving your dietary habits to improve your sexual health. We also guide you through counseling, that how to reduce the anxiety levels, how to reduce the perceptions which are being made up for the self, and how to improve and refurbish the sexual life again in the couples. So for that we do a counseling as well, and we also give the idea of lifestyle modifications for the fertility and also for improving the sexual health. So as a part of our comprehensive care, most of the time we have seen that patients have improved like anything. For any male, for any kind of sexual problems, Dr. Mankads Homeo Clinic will be more than happy to help you and to get you a better rejuvenating life, to give you a better rejuvenating life. Thank you very much. Take care.